It's kids' heaven. Today we read and know about 10 birds' name. Number 1. Crow. This is crow. Number 2. Sparrow. This is sparrow. Number 3. Eagle. This is eagle. Number 4. Pigeon. This is pigeon. Number 5. Dove. This is dove. Number 6. Parrot. This is parrot. Number 7. Owl. This is owl. Number 8. Woodpecker. This is woodpecker. Number 9. Hen. This is hen. Number 10. Duck. This is duck. It's time to repeat with me. Crow. Crow. Sparrow. Sparrow. Eagle. Eagle. Pigeon. Pigeon. Dove. Dove. Parrot. Parrot. Owl. Owl. Woodpecker. Woodpecker. Hen. Hen. Duck. Duck. Like, share, and subscribe. It's kids' heaven. Take care. Bye.